Yes, so now come to question number 44, exercise 1, page 7. A bag contains, so there is a bag containing 3 red and 7 black. 2 are drawn at random without replacement. So either the first one, two cases, two events have been defined, E1 and E2. This is E1 and this is E2. E1 is the event, first one is red, and E2 is the event, first one is black. 2 balls are drawn, selected random without replacement. So after this event, what will the bag composition? First one is red without replacement. 2 red, 7 black. And what will the composition of this without replacement? See, without replacement, I'm not replacing that. Black is taken out, put it outside. 3 red, 6 black. This is the composition after that. Probability of even, writer, probability of even. Probability of even is how much? Probability of even, red, 3 upon 10. Probability of E2, black ball drawing, black, 7 upon 10. If the second selected is given to be red, so E is the event that second one is red. E is the event that second one is red. E is the event that second is red. So probability of happening of E, when E1 has happened, that means from this bag, what is the probability of drawing is second red? So this will be 2 upon 9. Probability of getting red, if E2 has happened, that means first one is black, is red, 3 upon 9. This is the probability, red. Now, what is the probability that the first selected is also red? So I have to find if this event has happened, probability of this event E has happened, first is red, happening of E1. So this is equal to probability of E1 intersection E upon probability of E, Bayes theorem. So this is equal to probability of E1 into probability of E upon E1 plus probability of E1 into probability of E upon E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of E upon E2. This all story you have to write for your board exams only. For competitive exams, I've told you direct method, directly what you will do, we have to find probability of E upon E1, this probability of first red. So multiply these two and divide by the sum. So our answer will be 3 upon 10 into 2 upon 9, tree diagram, 3 upon 10 into 2 upon 9 plus multiply these two, 7 upon 10 into 3 upon 9, 7 upon 10 this into 3 upon 9. So 90 will cancel. So 6 upon 6 plus 13. So 6 plus 13, 3 into 2, 6. So answer must be 6 is 6 plus 21. Sorry. This will be 6 plus 21. 7 into 3, 21. 90 will cancel. 6 upon 21. So 6 upon 27. So this is a 27 cancel 3. 2 upon 9. This will be the answer of this. So thank you.